I'm Reggie Aki. Former President Obama is now posting about Anthony Bourdain and the relationship the two men had, of course, this after Bourdain's passing. Here's the photo of Mr. Obama and Bourdain sharing a meal. This is from Vietnam in 2016. The former president tweeting it along with this message. It says, "Low plastic stool, cheap but delicious noodles, cold Hanoi beer." This is how I'll remember Tony. He taught us about food, but more importantly, about its ability to bring us together, to make us a little less afraid of the unknown. We'll miss him.